Hi guys, welcome to yet another video. My beautiful name is Mary Chep, and in today's video guys, we are going to cook chicken stew with rice. So here we have our mixed spice, then we have onions, dania, tomatoes, some garlic, hoho, and then here we have a glass of rice, and our farthest end we have our chicken breast. So guys, the chicken is already boiled, so we are going to just fry it. So welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe so that every time I post a new video you are going to be notified. Welcome, let's cook together. So guys, we start by turning on our fire. This is the sufuria we are going to use to cook. Put it on the fire. Then we are going to add our cooking oil. Then we leave our cooking oil to cook first. Then we are going to add in our chicken. Guys, I've started by putting the cooking oil. Then I've added our onions inside. So I'm waiting for the onions to cook first. Our onions have started turning brown. So I'm going to add garlic. So here is our garlic. So we are going to add garlic. So since the heat is too high, we are going to reduce it. There we go. So next we are going to add some little mixed spice. There you go. Just a little. There you go. There you go. Next we add our hoho. There we go. Fire. has cooked until it is almost burning out. So we wait our hoho to cook a little bit. Then we add our tomatoes. Here you go. So we are going to leave our onions and our hoho to cook first. So guys, our tomatoes is ready. So here is when we are going to add our chicken in. Add our chicken. Then we stir together. Guys, since we are eating the chicken stew with rice, I'm going to add some soup. So I'm going to put some soup. That's it. Let's add a little bit. Now that's enough. So I'm going to taste if the salt add in some salt to taste. Guys, when you see me doing like that, my hands are clean, so don't say, hey, how can you do that and your hands are not clean? My hands are clean, that's why I'm tasting, doing like that. I think the salt is enough. Now we are going to leave the soup to boil for a little bit. Then we are going to add dhania. So guys, I think our soup is ready, as you can see. It is thick. So what we are going to do, we are going to add our dhania to garnish. So the last thing we are going to put for the day is our dhania to garnish it. Let's combine them together. Wow, utamu kama utamu bure jamani. our chicken stew is ready, so we are going to remove it from the fire, then we boil our rice. So water, 2 glasses of water for 2 glasses of water for 1 cup of rice. So I've put my water, some salt to taste, oil, some cooking oil. There you go. To boil first, then you are going to put in the rice. Guys, our water has boiled, so we are going to add in our washed rice. There you go. So we are going to leave our rice to boil. I will cover it and then we leave it to boil until the water is over. Guys, our rice is ready, so we are going to put off the fire and we are done. Our supper is ready. Our supper is ready. This is the end result. Now this is our our chicken stew with rice. So we have come to the end of the video. Thank you for those who have watched to this end. Thank you for the new subscribers. Welcome to the family. Here we love visitors. So until next time, bye.
2,000 years later.
Minutes later, after digging into the food, this is the end results. Welcome to the next one. Bye.